Good day, wishes. So today we are doing dodge and bend on this image. So as you are looking at this image, a lot has been done on this image, so we just want to put a dimension on our image. So how do we do it? We have to do dodge and bend. So I'll show you the process how we do it at a simple steps. So I have 3 types of dodge and bend that I will share, but on this video I'm going to share only one type of dodge and bend. So let's jump into it without wasting your time. All right, first thing first, let's go to curves. Then we select our curves, right? And then since it's dodge and bend, we have to create 2 layers, which is dodge and bend. So now we are creating dodge, right? So put a bit of highlight on it, right? And then we create another layer, which is bend. We go curves again, and then we put it low like this, right? So this is our bend, right? Bend layer, and this is our dodge layer, right? So I'll put my dodge on top so that it will make sense, dodge and bend, right? I'll put these in groups, right? Once it's in group, I'll go to each layer and invert it so that it won't affect my image. So I'll go Control I, right? And I'll go to bend and do Control I to invert my layer so that it won't affect my image. So now the group is done with dodge and bend layers. So let's name our group to say dodge, which is D and B, right? This is dodge and bend group. And then we go to brush 2 and then we select brush 2. Once select brush 2, make sure that your opacity is on 100 and make sure that your flow is on 100. So what I'm going to do, it's a simple method. I'm only going to color where there are highlights, which is dodge, and where there are darks, which is bend. Alright, this is how we are doing it. This is our dodge, right? We'll just color where there are highlights, right? But make sure color with the shape according how the lights moves on the face of the subject, right? Check how I am doing it here, right? There is also light here, and there is also light here, right? On the nose, right? And also on our lips there is a bit of light, and then we'll put it, right? This is nice. And then now I'm sure I'm done with putting the light, which is the dodge, right? And then now we are going to bend, and then we'll put a bend lines as well. As you can see, I'm highlighting where my bend is supposed to be, right? As you can see, I'm putting my bend where it's supposed to be, right? Check very well, check. And then here you can put 2, right? And I think I'm happy with what you're seeing. So what you do now, you go to dodge layer, and then you go properties, all right? And then once select properties, you go to feather, so that you match the skin layer and also the lines that we're putting, right? And then we adjust the feather line. So we're adjusting the dodge, right? Check how it goes with our image. Check, right? I think it's okay. And then we go to bend, we do the same thing to feather, adjust until we see that it's in our skin. As you can see, I think our bend is nice, right? So let me show you the before and after the dodge and bend. This is after, and this is before, after, before, after, right? If you see that is too much, you adjust on the opacity here and reduce it a bit, right? Like mine is too much, I reduce it to 68. So but all over, I'm happy with my dodge and bend, how I did it. So if you find this video helpful, please like our video and also subscribe on this channel so that you be notified next time when you drop another video. So thank you very much for watching. Sharp.